Piong ay Minister Kabineta, Kapesu Mamalo ng Parliament. Alaw piong na telefono, suyo committee paton, para super BSP Samoa, para BSP Financial Group CEO, the Sungaya Mark Robinson and Mrs. Robinson. Ya, o paanga mawumay, para super BSP. If manatu whatever my own tutor the need to oi while I love for my day or the tour. Yeah, near Fiaf who tato see the fire and mamma so full of the day. A while I would faso a tour, ela so for my mados. Okay, manatu the need to la or the toy Faalauiloa la Faalauiloa. Awai tonu le manatu e tau whawhiwima le pātau rafo e tau la ia fo i le mao Sofia tau taino whiwaa i pa ia mamadu Samoa le atunu ua uma o na mamanu ma whatu whaaselu na upu a le alafo le ngangana ai se whaise upu le ngangana whapetania a wā le so kono whamule moe a very bright green greetings. Good evening, everyone. It gives me great pleasure as the Prime Minister of Samoa to address this gathering this evening, and I extend a warm welcome to the Bank of South Pacific Samoa Limited board members, the Group Chief Executive Officer for BSP Financial Group Limited, Mr. Mark Robinson and Mrs. Robinson, for your first visit to Samoa as a BSP Samoa Limited board member and BSP Financial Group Limited's Group Chief Executive Officer, as well as each one of you who are here this evening. Your presence here is a testament to the significance of our shared undertakings and the vital role BSP and each of its customers and partners play in shaping our nation's progress and future. As Prime Minister, I am acutely aware of the importance of your contributions to our economy and society. As we reflect on the journey of BSP in Samoa, we are reminded of the dedication, hard work, and innovation that BSP has brought in the last 8 years to Samoa. Through these 8 years, BSP has provided employment to over 100 individuals each year. It's harnessed our local talent into governance and leadership roles in Samoa and the region. Its contribution to our nation's economic growth via the total taxes paid of 53 million tala in the last 8 years, as well as its services creating value to over 67,000 private households, businesses, and organizations. BSP Samoa Limited is well commended for its due focus on governance by having the majority of independent directors on its board, localizing most of its top management positions, and the promotion of Samoan nationals to the BSP group level. It has also been focusing and supporting the community and its funded projects here in Samoa, benefiting many families and communities. We are grateful to corporates and organizations such as BSP for filling these crucial opportunities in our country. I am informed the values of BSP include integrity, leadership, people, teamwork, and community, which resonate deeply with the principles we hold dear as a nation. It is a driving force behind our economic progress and the foundation to a prosperous future for our nation. I urge each one of us to do our part. Our government is committed to fostering an environment of growth and innovation where business can thrive and customers can access the best services and products. In today's rapidly changing world, adaptability and innovation are key to success. In particular, we live in times where climate action is crucial and digital transformation is becoming a norm worldwide. I am comforted to note that Samoa's financial system is also gradually embracing these new and challenging areas, as reflected in the Finance Sector Plan for financial years 2021 to 2024-25, and the pathway for the development of Samoa financial years 21-22 to 25-26, as they will greatly shape our nation's economic sustainability in the years ahead. I believe that all our financial institutions alike have an important role to play in these initiatives to ensure our small island economy progresses in tandem with the rest of the world. Therefore, I encourage BSP to continue embracing innovation and the evolving times. Given your leading market position, BSP's success is intertwined with the prosperity of Samoa, and I have no doubt that together we can achieve even greater heights for Samoa and our people. Moreover, and perhaps on a personal challenge from a leader of a small island developing state, I would like to ask the BSP Group to consider opening branches in New Zealand and Australia. This will open up another potential financial service or avenue for our Pacific diaspora in these two countries, as well as assist in servicing correspondent banking relationships for our Pacific financial jurisdictions. I also did mention to you this afternoon when we talked whether you might consider entering the banking services for American Samoa. We are resuming our talks with our sister country, but they are lacking in good financial services. And you might see this as an opportunity, Mr. Robertson. Again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the BSP Samoa Limited Board, including the BSP Financial Group Limited CEO Mark Robinson and Mrs. Robinson, as well as all BSP's customers and partners present this evening. Ya le mai le tua ma familia e ma mai le wala dia le komiti fatonu fa per kulenga ma le pena no al tatu fa tupe o Pacifica Sauti. I wish this gathering a joyous and successful evening. So for me, Manuel.
Greetings to you all. Moli le ngang whaftai, Tangaloa, lau whionga I le pule o te usamaanga po le ni whiawhi malu. Vea lava lau whonga ma whonganga o le tātou tai po le sunga le pusiri, whionga le la ang whausia. Ia mai se whaululunga o matanga luenga, so I fua maloina I Samoa. Ori le ngang whaftai, I le whaiwhiau, sunga I atu alua perese, mo le upu mātango fie I le ne whiawhi. O lau sunga lava o le whawhengainga taulangi, a le mamalu le tofa ko ia I alo whanenei. Kai te nane le loto I whale o le manu Samoa. O ia le valea oa le ainga sa whinunu I wao, mai se le tauanga I se ese ia whale alili. Ba lo whaftai. O ia o Samoa u poto, le mawhai na aluloa se tala I atunu I whako, a o le tātou loto I whale, e te taulava o na o whapa I ai. Ka velo leo e whai mafonga o le malo Samoa. Io ngai le hao le malo ma le misiofo. Le ngata fo lea o le suitofia ma le fatua. Ai a le fio le palimia. Li mo te maitai o le kapineta. Fonga fitalai. Te tai o le itua ngai. Ai mai se li fai pule. Ma te maitai pule o le morta o Samoa. E le ngata fo lea o le whaulunga, o le whamasinonga o se tasi o waenga au tū, tā whatolu o Samoa. Kio ngai le whamasinsili, a li i matamtai o whamasinonga, ea ai tinane Samoa o Poto. O malu te we ele nei fiafi, o wā o lele, o seu I whanua le fuata wa au o tō le whale o tau tai le so. O wā Samoa le atunu o umanu tofi, le ai lava se poto. E nā te toi pulmo fuina le loanginga e lei fo I se wawe. E nā te fōua le aputā miliuma e whaingtā o Samoa o li e vililo. E au waungtā e whainga tā fo I ona whainga. A whaitele nei a fiafi, o lea lava ua whaatangi moe manu o lea fiafi, ua ngoto foi le whetui le no whanga. O lea lava ua poto Samoa, ai maise le asosi malu, mai atinu I whafo le te maitai, tai te whono, ai maise sui mamalu, mai atinu o le Pasifika, o tātou wōma paanga, o tātou a fia poto maua tangata, ai le tātou lau ele nei. Ia ele te wha ilo ia tulanga. Wa mamalu mamatang o fie nei aso. Le wha moe o le auto le talaina. Wa o manino mamala malama. Tulanga pei ona iai le tātou wha moe le afiafi. Lau sunga le whaife au. Reverend Faalauiloa Perese, the Madam Chair of the Pacific Islands Operating Room, Nurses Association, nurse representatives from the Pacific, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be with you this evening to the official opening of the Pacific Islands Operating Room Nurses Association in Auckland Conference and Annual General Meeting 2023. This conference is the first ever regional, one of its caliber, to be hosted in Samoa. And I, on behalf of the Samoan government, applaud the chairman or the madam chair, executive members, as well as affiliated members of the Pacific Islands Operating Room Nurses Association for considering Samoa as the host of such important event like this conference. It is a golden opportunity for all nursing staff of Samoa to attend and further enhance their knowledge and gain expertise on their areas of work, especially in operation rooms, which will contribute in promoting safe and quality health operation services, not only for the Pacific region, but for Samoa specifically. Sending all of them overseas for capacity building trainings is very costly to Samoa government. I am greatly encouraged to see the purpose and objectives of this conference are very much in line with Samoa's national health priorities, as articulated in the pathway for the development of Samoa financial years 2021-2022 to 2025-2026, and health sector plan for financial year 2019-2020 to 2029-2030. Whereby Samoa government through the Ministry of Health, as leading agency of Samoa's health sector, is committed to upskilling and capacity build its healthcare workforce, including nursing profession, with required knowledge and skills through professional development events like this. I am confident that this event will be the beginning of the close partnership between Samoa government through the Ministry of Health and the Pacific Operation Room Nurses Association, which will be further strengthened through the provision of continuous professional developments for nurses. I sincerely hope that by the end of this conference and annual general meeting, you are able to achieve the set objectives of this conference, which are to: 1, acquire knowledge and skills to enhance and maintain best perioperative nursing practices; 2, exchange information that improves mutual support and learning; 3, empower solidarity and unite, create and strengthen networking amongst nursing professionals. I wish you all a most productive conference and annual general meeting, and looking forward to your commitments and partnership this event. I now declare the Pacific Operation Room Nurse Association Inaugural Conference and Annual General Meeting 2023 officially open. God bless you and bless Samoa. Whawhitai soifua.